Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the VessLink app to save and export your boating data. Before you can start recording data, you need to connect the app to your VessLink device. This will unlock real-time boating data. Now that we're connected, we can start recording our trip. Navigate to the trip section sliding from right to left on the main screen and press Start Trip button. While you record your trip, various boat parameters are collected to be analyzed later. In example, speed, engine RPM, fuel consumption rate, and more. Okay guys, let's finish this trip as it is only for demo. Pull up menu from bottom and hold the finish button. Once finished, you can access your trip via trip section menu, and here you can overview your journey data. If you are interested in more detailed data, you can export the data to analyze it with third-party tools. I will show you a few examples in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.